Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE) is all set to conduct Class 10th board examinations from the month of February. As per the date sheet, the board will conduct English examination on March 23rd. So, let's have a quick review of the exam pattern. The English paper will carry total 80 marks and the paper will be divided into 3 sections. Section A, Reading. Section B, Writing and Grammar, and Section C, Literature. Section A will comprise of 20 marks, Section B of 30 marks, and Section C again of 30 marks. Here are some tips for you to score above 95% marks in your English board exam. In Section A, develop reading and comprehending skills. Read the passage carefully and grasp the main theme of the passage. Identify the main points of the passage. Try to attempt the questions in your own words. Enhance your vocabulary so as to understand the word-related question. In case, if you are not sure about the meaning of the word, then relate it with the context it is used. Here comes Section B, Writing and Grammar. The format plays an important role in scoring marks in the writing section, so carefully remember the format. Plan, organize and present ideas with grammatical accuracy, appropriate words and spellings and relevance. Web the story on the given outlines carefully and do not go out of the track. Have a clear understanding of how to write letters, what to write in first paragraph, second and the third one. While in the grammar section, get into the details of the grammar topic with rules and exceptions. Solve the grammar passages by reading them carefully and understanding the meaning. Do not fill the blanks randomly without comprehending the questions and passages. For Section C, Literature, prepare each lesson carefully, read word by word, understand and memorize the value points. Do not forget to memorize the names of the chapters and their authors with correct spellings. Learn the central theme or idea of the lesson. Write the answers on the basis of inference, interpretation and comprehension. Identify the words from which lessons they have been derived from and relate in what sense they have been said and who is the speaker. And the most important, write the answers with grammatical accuracy, appropriate words, correct spellings, relevance and good expression. These were some section-wise tips in order to help you to score above 95% in your board's exam. Apart from this, there are some general tips like attempt the question paper in serial order, adhere to the prescribed word limit, use a black pen to write formats and keywords as it really helps you to score better, underline important points, write the answer in corresponding tense form of the question, which we often forget to do so. Practice by writing while keeping the assessment tools, content, fluency and accuracy in mind. And the most important, take care of the neatness and presentation. Solve previous year's question papers and sample papers as many as possible. I hope these tips will help you to score better in your board exams. Study hard and all the best!